CompTIA A Core 2 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.3 Compare and contrast wireless security protocols and authentication methods. Wireless encryption. In this video segment, we will explore the evolution of wireless encryption standards used to secure Wi-Fi networks. As wireless networking became more common, stronger security protocols were needed to protect data from interception and unauthorized access. Over time, these technologies evolved to address weaknesses in earlier standards and improve protection against modern attacks. Let's move through these technologies in the order they developed, starting with some of the earliest wireless security standards and working toward the most secure options used today. We will begin with Wired Equivalent Privacy, commonly known as WEP. WEP is an outdated wireless security protocol that was originally designed to provide wireless networks with security comparable to traditional wired networks. At the time, it represented an important step forward for wireless security, but significant weaknesses were eventually discovered. WEP relied on static encryption keys and weak initialization vectors, which made it vulnerable to attack. Because of these flaws, WEP is now considered highly insecure and should never be used on modern wireless networks. To perform encryption, WEP relied on RC4, which stands for Rivest Cipher 4, named after its creator Ron Rivest. RC4 is a stream cipher encryption algorithm that encrypts data one piece at a time as it is transmitted. RC4 was initially popular because it was lightweight and efficient, making it suitable for early wireless hardware with limited processing power. However, weaknesses in how WEP implemented RC4 allowed attackers to capture wireless traffic and crack encryption keys in a relatively short amount of time. To improve upon the weaknesses of WEP, Wi-Fi Protected Access, or WPA, was introduced. WPA is a wireless security standard developed as a more secure replacement for WEP. Rather than relying entirely on static encryption methods, WPA introduced several improvements aimed at strengthening wireless security while still remaining compatible with much of the existing wireless hardware already in use at the time. One of the primary technologies used by WPA was Temporal Key Integrity Protocol, commonly referred to as TKIP. TKIP is an encryption protocol that dynamically changes encryption keys during communication. This was a major improvement over WEP and RC4 because attackers could no longer rely on a single static key. TKIP also introduced integrity checking features to help detect tampering of transmitted data. Even with these improvements, WPA and TKIP were still considered temporary solutions because weaknesses were eventually discovered as attack methods advanced. This led to the development of Wi-Fi Protected Access 2, commonly known as WPA2. WPA2 is a wireless security standard that improved wireless protection by introducing much stronger encryption methods. WPA2 provided significantly better security than both WEP and WPA, making it the recommended standard for wireless networking for many years. The primary encryption technology used with WPA2 is AES, or Advanced Encryption Standard. AES is a strong block cipher encryption algorithm, widely used for secure communications across many different technologies, not just wireless networking. Unlike RC4, which encrypts data as a stream, AES encrypts data in fixed-size blocks, providing much stronger protection against attacks. Because of its strength and reliability, AES remains widely trusted and used today. As wireless security continued to evolve, Wi-Fi Protected Access 3, or WPA3, was introduced to further strengthen wireless protections and improve resistance against modern attack techniques. WPA3 is the latest wireless security standard and is designed to provide stronger protection against modern threats while improving overall wireless security. It includes several security enhancements intended to better protect both personal and enterprise wireless environments. One of the key technologies introduced with WPA3 is simultaneous authentication of equals, or SAE. SAE is a WPA3 authentication method designed to improve resistance against password guessing and brute force attacks. SAE replaces the older pre-shared key authentication process used in WPA2. When comparing these wireless security technologies overall, the progression becomes clear. WEP with RC4 is outdated and insecure. WPA with TKIP improved security but was still only a temporary solution. WPA2 with AES became the long-standing secure standard for wireless networking, while WPA3 with SAE now provides the strongest protections available for modern Wi-Fi environments. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.